Look at this one, babe. All right, come here, babe. Let's talk to the people real quick.
We're going to get a fucking snapping turtle, and that's that.
What's good, YouTube?
Ew, babe. You need to practice the angles. All in my nose. Oh my god.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man.
Hello.
So, Real Nigga Vlog, episode 1.
I can't even see your face.
Real Nigga Vlog, episode 1. Real Nigga Vlog, episode 1. So, we decided this year,
Episode 1, like 10 times.
This is the official episode 1. I'm gonna put Real Nigga Vlog and everything. So, episode 1. I decided we gonna record every animal we get, we gonna record picking it up. So, if that made sense. So, now we finna smoke.
What animal?
Anissa, I just wanna smoke and she just wanna keep talking about animals.
Yo,
Just
you was
kidding,
on the
just
toilet
kidding.
for like 30 minutes.
I had to shit.
You could've rolled that.
It wasn't coming out.
I was training the
I had to
dogs.
focus.
I was training the dogs.
I got the blunt cutter for you. She just a hater. But anyways, so yeah, we're going to get an alligator snapping turtle. And then hopefully...
I thought you said it wasn't an alligator.
It is. The bigger one wasn't an alligator snapping turtle. The smaller one is. So we was going to get a big ass regular Florida snapping turtle. But we decided to get the little baby alligator snapping turtle. And then in about a month, I'm going to get some little baby caimans. I'm hoping we can get 2. But if we just get 1, that's fine too. And we're going to keep them all together in this big pond we got. So, yeah, man, stay tuned for that. Anissa finally finna do her job and roll up. Peace. Oh, peace. All right, y'all. So, we changed out the layout. And I'll show y'all that later. But we're going to remove this and put the turtle tank probably down here or up here. And I'm going to cut one of these out so Pedro will be able to see vertically. Be seen, so yeah. Alright, so completely got rid of this. That shit was hard because of how the star was set up. And I gotta do this bottom one, not this one, but that one. And then it'll be done. I can put the turtle and the tarantula in there, and we're gonna work on getting them lights. So I wanna see if the tarantula tank will fit right there. If not, I'm gonna have to get rid of all this, which is hell of a lot more work, just because it's not like how these are in there. It's like actually a whole piece. So yeah. What up, nigga? Alright. Yeah, alright. So we got the tarantula, the baby snapping turtle, and then y'all know the bearded dragon. Yeah, this girl is cutting her piece of
It's
her.
hot. It's hot.
You better bite that bitch. Break it in half. Crazy. So I don't think I ever showed y'all how this actually turned out. But here it is. So we got, alright. So we got the tarantula, the baby snapping turtle, and then y'all know the bearded dragons. So this is a common snapping turtle. And this dude is little as hell. I'm pretty sure he was just born this year. And yeah, man, he is super tiny. His shell is super cool. And the difference between these guys and alligator snapping turtles is a few things, actually. So as you can see, oh shit, my bad. As you can see, these niggas got long necks. Like, look at his neck. Hold on, let's see. Look at that. Their neck can reach all the way back here to bite you. He doesn't want to bite me. He's pretty chill, but he's just like, dude, stop turning me upside down. But yeah, so in the wild, you grab one of these, always grab them down here. You grab them on the side, and reach around and grab your finger and tear it off. So I usually grab them around the bottom. They can't reach all the way back there. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of the alligator snapper that I was working with when I was volunteering over the summer. That motherfucker is huge. And you hold those right there behind the neck. You see how he just did that? Oh, he's pushing my hand from right here so that I don't hold him right there. And so, yeah, man, these guys are pretty cool. They don't get as big as alligator snappers, but they still get really big, really cool. I'm gonna show y'all a full grown one. These things are like prehistoric, man. Look at that tail. And so I'm gonna show y'all later when we feed them and keep updating y'all. We definitely plan on getting some caiman to add with this dude. And we're gonna put them all in that empty big tub over there. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We just gonna keep feeding them, watching them grow. And yeah, man, peace.